Good morning, painty friends. Happy Tuesday. Gretchen Fleener here from paintertainment.com. And today I am actually in St. Louis teaching at the MAX convention, but I did not forget about my Tuesday tip fans. So I've got a tip for you this week all ready to go. And today's tip is around making your own kit. If you've seen some of my videos, you know I'm never satisfied with my kit. I'm always making new kits. I'm always trying to improve my kit. But one common thread across all of my kits is that they're all lined with metal so that all of my paints and tools can be fixed into place with magnets. I like magnets because they're easy to clean. They don't wear out like Velcro can over time. And I like to use the really strong neodymium magnets. So today's tip though specifically is about where you can get the metal to line your kits for really cheap. And my favorite thing to use is old whiteboards. Now this does not look like a whiteboard. This is cardboard in a frame because I already hacked this one up making a new kit to bring to Max. But I'm going to show you how I take apart old whiteboards to use them in my kits. So this magnetic whiteboard I found at Goodwill for just $2.99. Now they aren't all assembled the same way, but this one just has a bunch of screws on the back. So my first step on this one was just obviously to remove all of the screws. And once you have all the screws off, it's just a matter of figuring out how to take that frame apart. Some of them are easier than others. I don't really care about breaking this frame because I'm not going to use that part for anything. I'll throw that in the recycle bin. But these, for this board, just pop right off and then you can access the cardboard inside. Awesome. This one is not even really stuck anymore. Sometimes you have to peel it off the cardboard, but now you've got this super thin piece of steel, lightweight and thin enough to cut, but strong enough for magnets to really stick to. So I have measured the size that I need for my kit, and then what I do is just take a Sharpie and a ruler and draw out the shape that I need to cut for my kit. One tool you're going to want to have for this project is a pair of tin snips. They're basically like scissors for metal. And this is such nice thin steel that it just cuts super easily. It's worth investing in a pair of tin snips if you're someone like me who's always doing projects like this. For this particular kit, all I did was take some E6000, put it on the back, put it in my kit, and then I always put a weight on it while it dries. Whenever I'm at a thrift store or a garage sale, I'm always keeping an eye out for cheap magnetic whiteboards. Now you do have to make sure they're magnetic, obviously. Not all whiteboards are magnetic. So it's not a bad idea to keep a little tiny refrigerator magnet in your purse. So when you're out shopping, you can always check to see if it's the type of whiteboard you can use. So my professional background before and early on in face painting was in product design. Industrial design was my college major. So I'm always trying to improve my kit and my tools and buy things that I think will work and chop them up and make them work for me. Don't be afraid to cut something up. Make it work for you. Thanks so much for watching this week. Hopefully I am currently having fun seeing you all at Max right now, and can't wait to get back for another Tuesday tip at 10 next week. We'll see you then. Happy painting!